If you're dealing with burning feet, electric shock in your hands, or that constant numbness that keeps you up at night, and you've already tried supplements, medications, exercises, and nothing has truly fixed it, stay with me for the next few minutes, because I'll show you how your nerves can actually heal, but only when all three critical parts of the nerves are addressed. Many protocols only hit one or two, and that's exactly why they're still stuck. And you're not alone. Millions of people are dealing with peripheral neuropathy right now, feeling frustrated, discouraged, and wondering why nothing is working. But it's not because your body can't heal. Your nerves are biologically designed to regenerate when they're given the right conditions. So let's simplify this and get you on the right path. Stay with me. You don't want to miss this. Welcome back, Health Warriors. Dr. C here. To understand why healing gets stuck, we need to understand what a nerve actually is. Think of your nerve like an electrical wire. At the center, you have the axon, the signal pathway. This is what allows you to feel, move, and function. Wrapped around that is the myelin, the insulation that allows a signal to move fast, smooth, and uninterrupted. Then surrounding all of that is the cell membrane called the neurolemma, which acts as a control center. It determines what gets into the nerve cell, like nutrients, and what gets pushed out, like waste products. And here's the part most doctors completely miss. There's a big difference between supporting a nerve and actually repairing a nerve. Because you can take all the nerve support supplements in the world, but if the signal pathway is damaged or the insulation is breaking down or the cell membrane isn't functioning properly, you won't get full healing. And that's exactly where most people get stuck. So let's look at the parts of the nerve and what they actually do. First, the axon. The axon is the core of the nerve. It's the actual signal pathway. And depending on which neurons are damaged, you can end up with very different symptoms. If the sensory nerves are affected, that's where you get things like numbness, tingling, burning, pins and needles, or those sharp electric jolts. If the motor nerves are affected, that's when you can start to notice weakness, slower movements, poor coordination, or just muscles that just don't respond as quickly as they normally would. Now, let's talk about the myelin. The myelin is the insulation around the nerve, and its job is to move the signal quickly, smoothly, and reliably. So when the myelin starts to break down, the signal doesn't just weaken, it slows down. It becomes unstable and starts to misfire. And that can create a very different kind of problem, because now your brain and your body are no longer communicating in real time. That's where people can start to lose balance, trip more easily, feel unsteady when they walk, especially in the dark when they can't rely on their vision as much. But damaged myelin can also create strange sensations like burning, crawling, buzzing, or that feeling like ants are biting your feet or your hands. Then there's the third piece, the one almost nobody talks about, the cell membrane. If the cell membrane isn't healthy, the nerve can't absorb the nutrients it needs to repair. So no matter what you take, the raw materials never actually reach the nerve. When that happens, healing stalls. Now, when you step back and look at this, it becomes very clear why so many people plateau. Because only parts of the problem have been addressed and not the system as a whole. And what we see over and over again is only partial progress at best. Does that make sense? Your body isn't failing, the approach has just been incomplete. And here's something else that's critical. Your internal environment plays a major role in whether your nerves can heal. Things like blood sugar imbalance, chronic inflammation, gut dysfunction like dysbiosis or SIBO, autoimmune activity, or even certain medications can all interfere with nerve repair. So you can be doing all the right things and still not get results because something in your internal environment is working against you. Now, let's talk about what actually moves the needle. We approach this in layers. The first layer is the foundation. You must support the cellular environment because without that, the nerve can't even begin to repair. At the foundational level, your body needs raw materials, key nutrients that support energy production, reduce inflammation, and allow the nerves to function at a cellular level. Things like R, alpha-lipoic acid, benfotiamine, methylcobalamin, folate, P5P, acetyl-L-carnitine, and L-citrulline. These are all critical nutrients to support mitochondrial function, reduce oxidative stress, and provide the raw materials needed to impact the axon, the myelin, and the cell membrane for nerve repair. The biggest reason people get stuck in their healing is because they're trying to build this foundation, but they're guessing. They're buying multiple supplements from different brands, often not in the right dosage, and hoping that something will work. And over time, they end up spending more money with very little to show for it. That's exactly why we created two targeted formulas, Neuphoria CM Gold and Nerve Defense, designed to work together across all three layers of the nerve. So you don't have to piece this together on your own. Now, you absolutely don't have to use our formulas, but whatever you choose, make sure it's comprehensive, research-backed, and it uses the right forms and the correct therapeutic dose. Now, once that foundation is in place, this is where we can layer in something that helps accelerate repair and regeneration. It's called Photobiomodulation, or PBM for short. This works by stimulating mitochondrial activity, increasing cellular energy, improving circulation, and helping to push that nerve out of the stalled state and into active repair. But here's the key. If the nutrients aren't in place, the body doesn't have the building blocks to respond. And when that happens, a few things can occur. You might notice a little improvement at first, but it doesn't last. Or sometimes you don't see much change at all because the cells are being stimulated, but they don't have what they need to rebuild the nerves. And occasionally symptoms can even flare temporarily, not because it's harmful, but because you've increased activity in the system that isn't fully supported yet. And when that happens, it's usually a sign that the system needs more support. Not that you've done something wrong. Remember, the goal isn't just to stimulate the system, it's to support it and to activate it at the same time. Because here's what we see clinically. The nutrients help stabilize the environment and provide the raw materials for repair, but PBM is what helps drive that repair forward. It enhances mitochondrial function, increases cellular energy, and it improves circulation and helps move that nerve out of the stalled, stagnant state and move it back into active regeneration. And when those pieces are in place, that's when things start to shift in a way that people have rarely experienced before. In fact, I want you to hear directly from someone who went through this process.
7 years ago, I was diagnosed with cancer. It was a very fast-growing cancer, and I did chemotherapy, I had surgery, I had radiation, but nobody ever talked to me about neuropathy. I had been suffering numbness in my feet for more than 6 years, and I had been suffering pain, sharp, unpredictable, unexpected stabbing pains in my feet for at least 5. Since they were sporadic, I didn't pay much attention to them, but they began to increase, and I was beginning to feel numbness on my fingertips. Dropping more things, harder to open things and turn things. It was very unpredictable, and it started about once a month, and then went to once a week, and then went to several times a day. And I had 2 falls. I wasn't connecting all the dots still about why I was falling. I blamed other things. I was moving. there was a cord in the way. There were leaves. The pain had begun to increase. The sharp pains had begun to increase to 7-8 times a day. It was beginning to cripple what I could do physically in my life. It was damaging my ability to carry on my professional life. And it was also interfering with my daytime happiness because I wasn't sleeping very well at night because of the pain was waking me up. I went to my doctor, my family doctor, about it, and he offered to give me painkillers, and I said, no, thank you. And he offered gabapentin, and I said, no, thank you. To make a long story short, I ended up going to neurologists who told me there was nothing I could do about it. I had MRIs and x-rays, and people told me that it was to be expected at my age. Well, I was 66 and very active, and I didn't think that this was normal just because I was 66. I was about at the point of giving up because almost everyone I talked to said, this is just an after effect of chemo. You're going to have neuropathy for the rest of your life, and it's going to get worse. I saw a wonderful video about this program, and I called, and I found out, and I started treatment immediately. And within 8 days of starting treatment, the pain was gone completely. It took a little longer to eliminate a lot of the numbness. I was a little bit skeptical. I didn't expect anything to work that fast. I didn't expect anything to transform a situation so completely. I was willing to give it all my energy, but I wasn't sure that it would work. I've been through a lot of different kinds of treatments for different kinds of issues, and it was a surprise that I had so much difference in how I felt within a very short period of time. I'm a person who loves to dance, and I'm a person who loves to make new friends, maintain my old friendships, take on new professional projects, do a few little projects around the house, go to garage sales. I want it all. I love doing it all. And since having this neuropathy treatment, I can continue being the person that I used to be in my 30s and 40s and 50s, older, but still being able to be involved at an active level, being able to sleep nights. My friends are excited when they look at me and they see that I've rebounded from the neuropathy pain and the falling and the worry and the lack of sleep and the miscellaneous pains that seem to increase day to day. And they see how I am now. They're surprised. I am much more optimistic about maintaining an active, high-quality life for a long while after having started this treatment. I promote things that I believe in, and I tell them it worked for me, and I know other people I went to school with, that this has worked for, and nobody's paying me to say this. I believe that this is one of the forms of treatment that can transform people's lives. We've been giving up on neuropathy patients for so long that it's wonderful to find that there is an answer.
And that's exactly what I want you to take away from this. That kind of progress doesn't come from doing one thing in isolation. It comes from finally giving the body what it's been missing. And when that happens, things start to change, even after years of being stuck. And that's where most treatments fall short. They take a very mechanistic approach. They focus on the nerve, but they ignore everything around it. I'm talking about things like how many medications someone is on, chronic conditions like diabetes, autoimmune disease, or gut dysfunction, or even ongoing inflammation that's still damaging the system. So you might be using the right tools, but if those underlying issues aren't being addressed, you're going to keep running into a brick wall. That's why this can't be a one-size-fits-all approach. Yes, the foundation stays the same, but how you apply it has to match the individual. And also we want to be very clear about something. PBM isn't required for everyone, because people who have very mild neuropathy or no underlying medical complication can often do very well with just providing the core nutrients and addressing their lifestyle. But for those who have more advanced nerve damage, long-standing symptoms, or feel like they've plateaued, this is where PBM becomes incredibly valuable, because it helps push the system forward when it's been stuck for a long time. And if it's not in the budget right now, that's okay. There's still a lot you can do just by getting the foundation right. Health warriors, remember, nerve healing isn't necessarily about doing more. It's about doing the right things in the right order while removing what's working against you. And when that happens, your body stops fighting the process and climbs on board with the plan. And that's when real healing begins. If you know someone who's struggling with neuropathy, someone who feels like they've tried everything, please share this video with them, because sometimes the right piece of information can change everything for them. And if this has helped you connect the dots, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. It helps YouTube send this video out to more people who need answers and hope. Don't forget to turn on that bell so you're notified when we release the next part of this video, where we actually break down the exact nutrients that matter the most and the correct therapeutic amounts needed for real nerve repair. I look forward to seeing you on the road to great nerve health.